Feeling stuck or starting over in your Mary Kay business? You're not alone, and 2025 is your year to grow, with ease, clarity, and confidence. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 strategies to build a thriving Mary Kay business, even if you're starting from zero. First up, build a strong digital foundation. Your online presence, think Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok, is your storefront. Make sure your profile pic is current, your bio pops, and your link points people exactly where you want them to go. Don't forget a pinned post that highlights your offer or shares your story. Remember, authenticity and consistency build trust. Like I always say, you can't sell a secret. Show up like a brand, even if you're still growing. Part 2, use tools that work for you. Let's talk about BookItPink. Gone are the days of fishbowls and random booths. BookItPink delivers bridal leads right to you, targeted to your area. Here's how it works. Bridal leads drop around the 1st and 15th of the month. You can geo-target leads within a 5 to 50 mile radius and choose from phone-only or phone plus email options. Plus, you get step-by-step scripts for easy follow-up. Real talk? I booked 5 skincare sessions in 1 week using BookItPink's leads, without even leaving my house, and finally, show up and stay consistent. Building a Mary Kay business is all about relationships. Post 3 to 5 times per week, share your wins, offer valuable tips, and let your audience in on your story. Respond to comments and engage in those DMs. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Keep showing up, you're planting seeds. Let's recap. Build a solid digital presence. Use smart tools like BookItPink, and keep your visibility and follow-up consistent. If you're ready to stop chasing cold leads and start booking real appointments, visit bookitpink.com and get started today. What's your #1 Mary Kay goal for this year? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to support you. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a weekly Mary Kay business tip.